Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So first, let me introduce myself. This is me. I am Vedanta Gune, a passionate programmer from India. I love coding and programming a lot. And as a self-taught programmer, I would like to teach you everything that I have learned throughout my journey. Now, as you all know me, let's start with this tutorial. Let's get our hands on Python programming. So now the most important question that everyone will have is, what is Python? Okay, so Python is a very easy to learn programming language. It is a multi-platform based programming language. You can run it on Windows, Mac and Linux. Python can be used or implemented in a lot of ways, which we will see later. And Python is one of the most essential skills to have in 2021. Now here we come to the next question, applications of Python. Here I have mentioned some of them, and the most important of them are web development, machine learning, data science and hacking. So now let's get started with the installation of Python on your system, and I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, so we are back with our computer. So first we will install some programs which will help us to run our Python programs and to write our Python programs more efficiently. So do follow these steps and download these programs. So open any browser of your choice and head over to python.org/downloads. Here you will find this download Python button, which will help you to download the latest version of Python for your operating system. So I will download this Python for my operating system first, then go to Visual Studio Code website, which is code.visualstudiocode.com, and click on this download for Windows button, which will help you to download Visual Studio Code for your operating system. Then after downloading these two files, I have already downloaded them, so I'm skipping this step. Then you can download them and then go to your downloads folder. Here you will find these two programs. Then click, first we will install Python, so double click on this, then select this add Python 3.9 to path option and click on this customize installation button. Then click next and select this install for all users, and then click on this browse, and in our this PC I will go to my operating system disk, which is local disk C, and then here I will create a new folder, okay, and I will name it Python 3.9. okay, then select and then click on this OK button, and okay, sorry, so I will go to my this folder and I will select this Python 3.9 and I will click OK and just click on this install button, give it permission and wait for it to install. So it will take some time, so I will be back after the installation. Okay, so we have downloaded our Python 3.9.6 for this operating system, which is Windows. Then I will click on this close button and then open this Visual Studio Code setup. Then select I agree the agreement. You can read this agreement as well if you want. Then click on this next, click on next and click on yes, click on next, select these check boxes and then click on next and click on install. Now it will take some time, so I will be back when here we are, and we have successfully installed both of the applications. Now just finish this and then first of all open your CMD or PowerShell in your Windows. Type here PIP, which stands for pip, and then you should see some random text here. Then clear this terminal. Okay, then search for Python -- version. Then you can see the version which is installed on your system. So if that is correct, then you are ready to go and ready to write your programs on Python. So in this video we installed Python and Visual Studio Code, and now we are ready to write our programs from next video. So thank you.